Welcome back to Facebook Ads, the keys to cheap, effective, targeted traffic. In this video, we're going to set up your tracking system. Now, you're not going to need anything fancy in the way of a tracking system until you're actually making money. So you really need to be spending your time right now getting yourself set up quickly so that you can start focusing on your ads, right? That's the key. When you're making money, you can have someone do all of the technical aspects. So if you're used to doing a lot of the website development and all those things, you probably want to change your orientation so that you're really focused on making money. Now, here's the thing. The way you're going to make more money using Facebook ads is to get conversions. The way you get conversions is you got to focus on what's working in the ads. You don't want to focus on these technical details. If you can have someone do them, if you can pay someone to have them do them, this is the time to start doing that. Now, we're going to show you the self-hosted version. And now you can definitely use a self-hosted version, which means you can have it put on your website. We're going to show you the hosted version again because that's going to get you up and running the fastest. And we're going to use Tracking 202 in order to do that. Now let's go and take a look at Tracking 202. And if you want to find it, all you've got to do is go to tracking202.com and you can see it right there in your screen. Okay, tracking202.com. It says, all you're really going to do here is you're going to create an account, and it's your standard account creation. You're going to get a free trial with all these things, and for the most part, you can start out with this pro account that you would be billed monthly. Now, you're not going to be billed for, I believe it's 14 days. So you can get up and running before you really start moving forward with this. Of course, if you get to the end of the 14 days and you discover you're going to need all these other things, you're getting 500,000 clicks a month, then of course you can move up to the more advanced and the $19 a day. But it's probably gonna be best if you start at the $5 level at this point. So let's go ahead. We'll just briefly take a look at setting up your account. Okay, it's pretty standard. You're going to set it up. Remember, you're getting a 14-day trial. This is $5 a day. And you can scroll down and then you can enter your payment information there. Okay, so let's go back. I'll show you the self-hosted version. Okay, for the self-hosted version, you're going to go to Prosper 202. Download Prosper 202 from here. And one thing you're going to want to take note of is the fact that there are some requirements of your server. Now, you may want to check with the folks at your server to make sure that Prosper 202 is going to run properly. If not, then there is a recommended hosting company that Prosper 202 works with, and you can certainly work with them. And they show that right there on the page, and they've got links to that server also. So basically, you want to do this first. Get your Prosper 202 account set up quickly, and then you can move on to the next step where we're going to start going into some of the more important aspects of the research so that, again, you can get started creating your ads.